Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a Google Slides presentation. This makes it really easy for you to be able to access and edit your presentation whenever you want. And I think it's one of the really awesome tools that Google Drive does have available for you to use. The very first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you are logged into your account. It should only take a few seconds, and then you can go to your Drive page and you're all set. So the next thing you're going to want to do is over here on the left, there is the new button. You're going to click that and you're going to scroll down to this Google Slides tab. It's yellow, it's got a little white square, and it says Google Slides. You're going to want to scroll to this little tab on the right and click blank presentation. You also can make one from a template, but for this purpose, we're going to start from scratch. So once it loads, I'm going to show you. So you can see on the right over here, there are themes you can choose from. It's best to kind of think of what presentation you're making. So for this presentation, we're just going to go with a really nice and simple one. But you can always go through and check out all of these different themes that are available to you. You also can import a theme, but we're not going to worry about that today. So we're going to go ahead and choose this theme right here, which I believe is called Tropic. And that's the one that we're going to use right now. So this very first page is going to be your title page. So say that your presentation is about how to make a Google Slides. You can put your title there, and then underneath you can make a subtitle, whether it be your name or it be a subtitle. So if you have like the title and you want to put a little caption to explain further, it's up to you. But for today, I'm going to put my name there. So the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to learn how to make another slide. We don't need this themes area anymore, so we're going to close that out. So over here, the way to make a new slide is this little plus up in the left-hand corner under the little yellow symbol. You're going to click the arrow, and you can see there's a bunch of different options that you can choose from. So the one that I think we're going to go with right now is just a simple title and body, but there's also ones that already have pictures inputted, captions, different sections. So it's up to you what you want to do. So we're going to choose title and body. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to title this Create New. So you can put a title on this page, and then on the bottom you can add text. This bar on the top up here works the same as any pretty much Word document works or a Google document works. It has your text information all over here, your spacing, and then on the left side over here, there's printing and stuff that we're not really going to touch right now. So for this, we're going to create bullet points. There is an option for that over here. And all you do, you could also choose the shape, but for today, we're just going to go with the basics. And then you can create bullets underneath that. And you just tap enter to create a new one. And you can do that for as many as you would like. All right, so that's going to be our second page. Now we're going to make a page that includes a photo. So for this one, we're just going to click our title only. You can also do a caption for this, but we're going to choose the title only for now. So on this one, we're going to do image. So to add an image, what you can do is you can either click insert image, which is how we're going to do it right now, or you can click this little insert image box, which is over by the text box, and do it the same way. But for right now, we're going to go to insert image, and we're going to search the web. So this is really handy if you're looking for clip art or something that you don't already have ready to go. So for right now, we're going to search up a kitten. And I'm going to do kitten clip art. So So you have a bunch of options that are kind of come up next to you. I think we're going to go with this cute one right here. And you're just going to click on the image and drag it over to your slide. Now, it immediately starts on the left side because that's how we have it. So if you want to like move it, you can click and drag it to wherever you'd like it to be positioned. And you can do multiple images. So you can do the same thing, click and drag, and you can place it wherever you'd like it. You can also do this with uploading images from your computer. Instead of clicking upload from computer or search, or instead of clicking search the web, you're going to click upload from your computer and you can do the same thing. You can also do this by uploading images from your drive, by a URL, or also by using your camera on your device. So the next thing that we're going to do on the next page is we are going to create another title only page. And this one, we are going to insert a diagram. So to do so, you go to that Insert tab again, and you'll click Diagram, and it'll give you a bunch of options right here on the right-hand side. So you can go ahead and choose different ones. Right now, we're just going to do a timeline. You're going to click on it, and you can choose from all the different styles that are on here. I think we should do this guy. Now you're going to click on it and it's going to pop right up onto the page where it needs to be. You can edit the text on these same as you can on any other text. You can change the font up here as well as the text size, if you want to bold it, whatever. And then when you finish with inputting that, you're going to close it out and you can see all these other options up here for what you want to do. Now the one thing I didn't quite show before for the text is how to like change the font and everything. Again, it's the same as you would on Word. What you can do is you can highlight the text you want to change, go to the font. We're going to change this to Times New Roman, and we're going to change the size, which is next to it, to 36. You can do a bunch of crazy stuff. You can bold it. You can italicize it. You can underline it. You can do whatever you want, change the text color. You can highlight it. Lots of different stuff you can do, just the same as in Word. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create another page. And this time I'm going to show you how to insert a video. Now, you also can do this with just a link, but this is going to be something that's going to be a little bit easier. And it's nice because you can search YouTube, you can input a URL, or also upload from your drive. So you can see I have a few different ones located in here, but we are going to go ahead and search YouTube. And we're going to search a video on how to create a Google slide. And you can click search. And then here you go. So this is a quick little one. It's 13 minutes. You click on it, click select, and then it inputs it right into your slide so that when you go to present, it's already there. You can make it full screen if you want, because I do believe that it does play right on here. And there you're all set. It plays right on. So it's right there on the page for you to do. So if you want to, you can keep it small. You can keep it small and leave it in the middle if you'd like, or you can make it full, cover the whole page. It's up to you if you want to have a title on there or not. The other way that you can do this, but it would take you outside of the presentation, is to just input a link on the page. In order to do that, you would click insert. And I believe that you can do it with just that link then on the URL. If you just want to put a link in there, you can just copy and paste it from wherever you're getting it from, put it on the page, click it, and it brings you there. The other stuff that you can also input is you can input audio and a bunch of other stuff. But other than that, that's pretty much how you make a Google Slides presentation. I hope you enjoyed and you learned a lot. These are just the basics, and there's a lot more you can learn, but I hope that you enjoyed this presentation. So thank you for watching.